What's up, fellow authors? If you're feeling stuck or struggling with slow book sales, or maybe you're just looking for fresh ideas to reignite your momentum, you're in the right place. Today on Demystifying Self-Publishing, I'll walk you through some actionable strategies to revive your book sales and get the ball rolling with more visibility and engagement. I know how tough it can be when you're putting your heart and soul into your book and it's not reaching the audience it deserves. But trust me, with a few tweaks and fresh ideas, you can turn things around. The next thing we need to do is revisit your book's marketing foundation. Make sure your book's listing, whether that's on Amazon, Indigo, Barnes & Noble, is optimized using a catchy, keyword-rich title, a clear and engaging description, and high-quality cover art. Next up, do some research to identify the keywords that your readers are searching for. Add those to your title, the description, and back-end keywords. If you haven't refreshed your book's description in a while, try doing it from the perspective of a reader. What problem does your book solve? Why should they read it? Minor adjustments might be helpful in piquing the interest of potential readers. Next thing you need to try is leveraging your social media and online audiences. If you're not talking about your book, nobody else is either. One of the best ways to boost momentum is by regularly engaging with your audience. Don't just talk about your book, share content that your target audience would find to be valuable. Think about behind the scenes content, sneak peeks, industry news, or helpful advice pertaining to your book's genre. Social media platforms are a great way to connect with your audience, but niche groups are where it's at. Book groups, Reddit forums, and specialized threads are where you'll find your ideal readers. Share your insights and naturally introduce your book where it's relevant. Don't be too salesy or spammy, as self-promotion in a lot of these specialized niche groups is frowned upon and can even get you banned or blocked. Consider reaching out to book bloggers, influencers, or fellow authors for collaboration opportunities. A simple book review, shout out, or interview can really boost your book's visibility. Engagement is a two-way street. Be sure to reply to people who are leaving comments on your content and engage with theirs as well. Whether it's posting or commenting or reaching out to one new person through a direct message, set a daily or a weekly goal for engagement. And remember that social media is a long game, not a short game. It does require consistency and effort in order to see results. Freebies and price adjustments are another great way to boost your book's visibility and momentum. Offering a temporary price drop or a giveaway or free promotion can attract new readers and get you noticed. Sites like Goodreads, BookBub, and FreeBooksy offer promotional opportunities that can help to give your book the boost in visibility that it needs to increase your sales. Consider running a promotion to help reignite excitement around your book. A limited time offer, such as a 99-cent ebook deal, can create urgency and prompt readers to buy. Be sure that once you have made these adjustments, you are actively promoting them across social media and your newsletter lists so that prospective readers who have been following along can see when your book is on sale and take advantage. More reviews is another great way to help build your momentum. We all know reviews matter, both in building trust and boosting visibility on sales platforms. More positive reviews can give your book more social proof on sales platforms and encourage users to click the buy now button. It's one thing to just sit and hope for reviews, and it's another thing to actively ask for them. Reach out to readers, fellow authors, and even influencers, and ask them to review your book in exchange for a free copy or even a shout out. Simple follow-up to readers that you know have purchased your book, whether that is via email or a call to action on social media, is another great way to encourage them to leave a review. Be sure to make it personal and express your gratitude for their ongoing support. Every time someone leaves a review, be sure to thank them either privately or publicly. Everyone likes to feel acknowledged, and this is a good way to encourage other people to continue to leave reviews while subtly reminding them that reviews really make a difference to self-published authors. Get your book in front of target audiences. Email local newspapers or TV channels or even podcasts and pitch your book and the topic to them. Not only are you making their lives a little bit easier by coming up with the idea for a topic or a segment, but you're also showing initiative. In addition to all of these organic ways to generate momentum for your book, paid ads like Facebook ads, Amazon ads, can help position your book in front of the right audience. You can even target specific interests or keywords and demographics, which helps to increase your chance of conversions. Start with a small budget and test different ad creatives, graphics, and titles to see what works best. Split testing is key when running ads. Change up small things between two different ads, whether that's a word in the title or the image that's used on a graphic. This lets you to play around until you find the winning formula that resonates. If you're new to ads, consider hiring a professional for a short campaign or to help walk you through the basics so that you can manage them yourselves. Put yourself out there, whether that is at a book fair or a reading, a book signing at a local bookstore. Get yourself back in the public's eye so that your book is top of mind and has the opportunity to rebuild that momentum and generate more sales. At the end of the day, it's important to be consistent and patient. Reviving your book sales doesn't happen overnight. It's about consistency and experimentation and trying new things until you find the thing that works best for you and your specific project. Every time you gain a new review, connect with a reader, or even see a small spike in sales, celebrate it. These are signs that your efforts are working. If you found this video to be helpful, please give it a thumbs up, click on the subscribe button, turn on that post notifications bell, and be sure to download your free guide to selling books on Amazon. We'll see you in the next one.